In today's world, it's easy to get caught up in a constant cycle of instant gratification. With endless notifications, social media, and entertainment at our fingertips, it's no wonder our brains are overstimulated. But what if you could reset your brain and regain control over your attention, productivity, and well-being? Enter Dopamine Detox, a strategy that helps you break free from the cycle of constant stimulation. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 dopamine detox rules to reset your brain. These simple yet powerful rules can help you reclaim your mental clarity and focus. Keep watching to learn how these detox strategies can transform your life. 1. The boredom minimum rule. The first step in your dopamine detox journey is learning to embrace boredom. It may sound counterintuitive, but spending time with zero input is crucial for resetting your brain's dopamine system. In today's world, we are constantly bombarded with notifications, entertainment, and a never-ending stream of distractions. Our brains have become wired to crave immediate gratification, and this constant stimulation leaves little room for reflection or mental clarity. The boredom minimum rule encourages you to intentionally court boredom and take a break from constant stimulation. Here's how it works. The rule: spend 15 minutes a day sitting in a chair with zero input. No music, no books, no phone, nothing. This may sound challenging at first, especially if you're used to having something playing in the background at all times. But it's an essential practice for resetting your brain. During these 15 minutes, don't distract yourself with your phone or any other digital device. Simply sit, breathe, and allow your mind to wander without any external influences. The goal. The purpose of the boredom minimum is to help your brain transition from a reactive state, where you're waiting for the next notification or entertainment, to a reflective state. It's a time to let your mind rest and recalibrate. When you are constantly reacting to external stimuli, your brain is in a state of heightened alertness and engagement, which prevents it from achieving deep, meaningful thought. This rule forces you to allow your brain the space it needs to reset its tolerance for low-stimulation environments. The goal isn't to make you feel bored, but to provide your brain with a break from overstimulation so that you can focus better in other areas of your life. The boredom minimum helps you practice self-discipline and teaches your brain that it's okay to be still and present. It's important to be comfortable with doing nothing for a short period of time, as this skill is necessary for fostering mental clarity. Over time, you may find that you can concentrate more deeply on tasks without feeling overwhelmed by constant distractions. Additionally, you might start enjoying the simple, low-stimulation activities that once seemed dull, like going for a walk or reading a book, as your mind becomes more attuned to a slower, more deliberate pace. By embracing boredom, you are essentially resetting your brain's reward system and teaching it to appreciate the value of focus, mindfulness, and patience. As a result, the boredom minimum not only helps you manage your dopamine levels, but also enhances your mental well-being, allowing you to feel more grounded and present in your daily life. 2. Digital slot machine elimination. Many of us are addicted to the thrill of infinite scrolling, the pull-to-refresh function on apps, or the dopamine rush that comes from checking social media. These apps use variable rewards, a technique that mimics the mechanics of gambling, where the outcome is unpredictable and keeps you coming back for more. If you've ever found yourself endlessly scrolling, you know the feeling of constantly seeking more, even if you're not getting anything new. This behavior triggers the brain's reward system, creating a cycle of cravings that makes simple tasks feel slow and unfulfilling. To break this cycle, the rule is simple. Identify apps that use variable rewards and delete or block them for 48 hours. The reason this works is that these apps trigger a seeking loop in the brain's ventral tegmental area, which can make you feel a constant need for more stimulation. By removing these apps for a short period of time, you're forcing your brain to reset and recalibrate its reward system. Without the immediate gratification of these digital slot machines, you'll find yourself craving more meaningful, fulfilling activities that require effort and attention, such as deep work, creative projects, or spending time with others. You'll rediscover the pleasure of engaging in activities that take time, effort, and persistence, which can lead to a greater sense of fulfillment in the long run. This reset provides the opportunity to regain control over your time and attention, making it easier to focus on what truly matters. 3. Replace quick spikes with slow burn effort. In our modern world, dopamine is most addictive when it's unearned. Think of the instant gratification of getting a like on a photo or the quick rewards from playing a mobile game. But these quick dopamine spikes are not sustainable and can make you feel unsatisfied over time. The rule: you can only engage in high dopamine activities like gaming, eating sweets, or streaming after completing a high-effort task that requires sustained focus, such as 30 minutes of deep work or a difficult workout. This relinks dopamine release to the effort reward circuit in your brain. By doing something that requires time, focus, and persistence before engaging in an instant gratification activity, you'll retrain your brain to associate satisfaction with effort. This practice helps you regain control over impulsive behaviors and promotes a more fulfilling, intentional lifestyle. Instead of seeking quick dopamine hits, you'll start to appreciate the rewards that come from hard work and patience. Over time, this can improve your productivity, reduce procrastination, and enhance your overall mental well-being. For sensory grayscale environment, our brains are constantly bombarded with sensory input, especially from our digital devices. Bright colors, flashing notifications, and high-contrast visuals are designed to capture our attention, but they also keep our brains in a state of high arousal. While this may help keep us engaged in the short term, it can lead to mental fatigue and overstimulation, making it difficult to focus or relax. The constant stream of stimulation makes it challenging to maintain sustained attention on any one task, leaving you feeling distracted and overwhelmed. To reduce this overstimulation, one simple but effective rule is to turn your phone and computer displays to grayscale mode. By eliminating vibrant colors, you remove the psychological pop of red notification bubbles and colorful icons, which are designed to trigger your brain's reward system. This small change makes your devices far less enticing and allows you to focus on the task at hand without being constantly distracted by eye-catching notifications or graphics. Grayscale mode reduces the immediate temptation to check your phone or click on an app, helping you stay more present and engaged with meaningful activities. 5. The single task commandment. Many of us have been conditioned to believe that multitasking makes us more efficient, but in reality, it does the opposite. While multitasking may seem like a way to get more done, it actually fragments your attention, providing constant, tiny hits of novelty that overwhelm your brain. When you divide your focus between several tasks, your brain doesn't have the opportunity to enter a flow state, where it can work at its most efficient and productive level. Instead, multitasking can slow down your productivity and lead to a decrease in the quality of your work. To counter this, the rule for your dopamine detox is simple. For the duration of your detox, you are forbidden from multitasking. This means no listening to podcasts while cleaning, no texting while eating, and no background TV while working. By committing to focus on one task at a time, you're teaching your brain to dedicate its full attention to a single activity. As you embrace single tasking, you may also notice that tasks become more enjoyable and less overwhelming. Multitasking often creates a sense of chaos and fragmentation, while focusing on one thing at a time promotes mental calm and allows you to fully engage in each activity. By practicing this skill, you'll create a more peaceful and productive routine, enhancing both the quality of your work and your overall well-being. There you have it, top 5 dopamine detox rules to reset your brain. Implementing these rules can help you regain focus, reduce overstimulation, and build healthier habits that allow you to thrive without relying on constant dopamine hits. If this video helped you understand how to reset your brain, like, share, and subscribe for more strategies on improving your mental health and well-being. Let me know in the comments which detox rule you're most excited to try, or if you've tried any already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.